Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We're at the Star Barn location. This is one of the items that you can see when you come to this Star Barn event center. This is an amazing event center, many acres of land on this. And this is a replica of President Lincoln's funeral car. This is one of the steam engine, and as we go back here, I'm going to show you the actual, it's a replica of the actual car that carried President Lincoln's casket and his body through this area in Pennsylvania. They've actually used the same